Hi, let me show you how to check serial number on your iPhone 16e. So for that we need to open settings and here just swipe down a bit to find general section. After that pick About tab and you will see your serial number. So those letters and numbers are your actual serial number. Also, with the help of serial number, you can check whether your device is original or not. For that, if you kept the box in which your device came, then you can take a look right here because we can find here serial number as well. So make sure that those numbers matches, and if yes, then your device is original. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.